Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Today we're back with a new video for you. We are actually doing 2 videos in one.
Yeah.
So the first one is a dance challenge. We're gonna be looking at the latest trends, dance trends, and trying to imitate them as well as we can, as exact.
The second part of the video, we actually pranked our friend. Clara was sorry girl, but we had to get you. So stay tuned guys if you want to see the prank. That's at the end of this video.
So without further ado, let's get into the dance challenge. No, we don't look like.
Oh, I got crampish. We don't do it the first time around, do we? No.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the head is matted black. I got the roof. You can whip your Porsche. Out in the valley.
We were not ready for that.
That was really
I forgot it. Wow. Fun. But did I?
You went like 2 minutes to this one.
I'm gonna take my horse through the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the bag, horse stock is attached. Head is matted black, got the bushes like the match. Riding on a horse, ha, you can whip your Porsche.
Yeah. Oh, you do that way.
Oh, we can do this way. Oh, I
No,
that
which-
feels weird.
Alright, let's reverse it.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Oh, my leg keeps.
It was a video.
Slide like this, go like this. Please don't do your toe like this, yeah. Slide like this, go like this. Please don't do your toe like this, yeah. Slide like this, go like this. Please don't do your toe like this, yeah. Okay, slide like this, go like this. Please don't do your toe like this, yeah. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Yo, lemon pepper.
Oh. God, that girl.
Guys, we are tired.
We are tired. Dancing is hard. It's so hard.
It is.
Anyway, guys, I know this is the moment you guys have been waiting for.
This is the prank.
This is the prank.
We hope you enjoy it just as much as you should have enjoyed that dance video, because
We
that
tried our
took a lot.
hardest.
That took a
We
lot.
did.
We did. So guys, we hope you enjoy the prank and let's get into it. Which way? Okay guys, so we're just gonna get right into the prank. We hope you like it. Hey guys!
So, go on, tell them what we're doing.
Today we're doing a prank on one of our best friends, Clara. We've got the help of 2 of our other friends. We've got Maya and we've got Maxine, but she's downstairs right now distracting Clara. We're gonna set up the camera downstairs in the living room and we're just gonna see how it goes.
Yeah, we're all the way upstairs in the room and in the TV's room. They're all the way downstairs in the kitchen. But basically what we're going to do, I've had a bit of a chest infection all week. So I have a bottle of Purdy's. I'm going to pour the Purdy's out. I'm going to put fake blood in it. put the fake blood in my mouth. I pretend I'm coughing up blood and I'm dying, but I'm not.
I'm gonna
And we're
see
just
how
gonna
it
see
goes.
her reaction. She's the most gullible
I
one.
know. It's gonna be good.
It's gonna be good. Come, it's gonna be great.
So evil.
I know it is.
But we're gonna try and be as I don't know,
Believable.
yeah, as we can.
Yeah, acting skills.
It's gonna work. It's gonna work. Wish us luck. Okay.
So we'll see you next, I guess, in the prank, isn't it? Do you think that's hidden? I think it's so blended in with the picture.
Yeah,
You can't even tell.
See.
I'm putting the blood in the cup.
I need to. I'm with Santander and NatWest.
I'm with Barclays at Metro. Barclays.
We said bargains. What the hell is bargains? Do you say Barclays? You sure you don't want
What's going on,
Need
mate?
medicine,
You
you
need
know.
to get that lemon and herb. Lemon and herb.
She
Wow.
lemon and herb? Speak my hand though. She's lemon and herb. Do you get that?
This
I
guy,
get
Clara,
vegan.
space Clara went.
No, she can't.
Think like you better not be talking to me. Or hot.
No, I get Periflama. I'm on Lutein.
I like Peritama. I like Peritama. And I get
Periflama! It's half Peritama, half
half
hot.
pot. Yeah, that's what my dad gets. No, for my sister.
What's Periflama? What's Periflama?
Peritama's
Peritama is
guys.
it's what the children. It's
Come
on the
on.
children.
Come on.
It's on the children
Y'all should know
menu.
this.
Barbecue
I don't
from Nando's.
You know, when I was a child, clearly you lot have not been going Nando's when you were children. But I thought you said custard with £5. I was gonna faint.
Yeah, because imagine.
I was gonna faint.
No, we would have been better off buying cake.
And just buy the
Buy
custard
custard.
ourselves.
You know, I was like £2. It's too late.
I'm
Guys.
I said you already.
Jazz, you okay?
Oh my god. You need to call now.
No, wait. Jazz, are you okay?
That's not. Oh my god. Someone call 911.
You supposed to be laying there. Damn ambulance.
Someone please call 911.
Jazz, are you okay?
Get tissue.
Oh, she's crying. Wait, touch me. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Guys, why are you laughing? No, Jazz, are you getting tissue? Yeah. Can you put ambulance?
Ambulance.
Yes, no, yeah.
Where's her drink?
Here.
Right, you need to call.
I'm calling, no, I'm calling.
Clara!
Yeah?
Carol, don't call it. It's a prank.
Guys, help me push the door! Guys, Clara!
So guys,
Clara, come on, be on the
Clara,
channel.
smile.
Sorry, Lala.
I don't.
Ew. Clara, how do you feel?
Oh.
Betrayed.
I'm sorry.
Well guys, the prank worked. It was successful. Give this a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and thumbs down.
That one person in
That
it.
one person keeps coming on the video.
Yeah,
Gonna be 2 now.
I have to change my
But
top.
guys, we'll be back. If you do like, or if you
Is
did
that
like
why
this
you want
prank,
from playing top?
Yeah,
Let
I have
them
my other
know
top
so we
here.
can do
another one.
I knew it.
Yeah, we will do more.
I was like,
we'll be back. Come on. Alright, thanks guys.
Bye.
I hate all of you. I hate all